Hey guys, so let's make a perfect egusi soup. If you haven't used this recipe for egusi soup, that is, you are truly missing a lot. As for this green leaf that I used for this egusi soup, that is, I don't know if you have tried it before, but this is the best leaf that you can use for your egusi soup. That is, I mean, the best. And not only that, it supplies blood to your body. That is, you need to try this leaf in your egusi soup if you have not tried it before. So guys, calm down and watch this video and see how I made my perfect egusi soup for my family. Thank you for showing me love in this space. So guys, this is the last part. This is what you're going to add in your last time of this cooking. Add your green leaf and off your gas. So don't forget to follow this page for more recipe. Don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. How do you like eating your egusi soup? Do you like frying one or do you like cooking one? But this is the best recipe that you can ever try for yourself. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.